Welcome to the channel. If you're serious about cooking, you know that freshly ground spices can make all the difference. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best spice grinders, perfect for home chefs who want maximum flavor and control in the kitchen. Whether you need something compact, powerful, or easy to clean, I've selected the best options to suit a variety of cooking styles and budgets. Be sure to check the description below for the latest prices and product details. And if you find this helpful, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest reviews. Let's get grinding, starting with number 5 on our list. Number 5. Gossadium Electric Spice Grinder. The Gossadium Electric Spice Grinder is a powerful and versatile kitchen tool designed to grind up to 120 grams of spices, or herbs in just seconds. Equipped with upgraded stainless steel blades, it handles everything from spice beans to pollen with ease, making it perfect for both home cooks and professionals. Its large 100-gram capacity yields enough ground for up to 12 cups, ideal for family gatherings or entertaining friends. The grinder features a one-button operation with a safety lid switch. Blades only spin when the lid is securely pressed, ensuring safe use. The visual cover design lets you control grind size easily. Coarse grinding takes 3 to 5 seconds, while fine grinding is achieved in 8 to 15 seconds. Cleaning is simple with the included brush, and the removable power cord makes storage convenient. Number 4. Tupoi Spice Grinder. Discover the power and versatility of the Tupoi 500W electric spice grinder, designed for efficiency and durability. Featuring 3 sharp stainless steel blades and a robust motor, this grinder effortlessly processes spices, nuts, coffee beans, and even wet ingredients like pastes. Its generous 600 milliliters capacity lets you grind large batches, saving time for everyday cooking or entertaining guests. Built with high-quality materials, the grinder offers long-lasting performance and reliability. For safety and optimal use, it's recommended to rest the grinder for 30 minutes after 15 minutes of continuous operation. Cleaning is simple and quick with the included filter and brush, making maintenance hassle-free. Whether you're preparing aromatic spices, fresh coffee grounds, or homemade nut butters, this powerful spice grinder will elevate your kitchen experience with precision and convenience. Refer to the user manual for detailed instructions and care tips. Number 3. Simma Electric Spice Grinder. Experience powerful and efficient grinding with this 500W electric spice grinder, perfect for spices, coffee beans, nuts, and grains. Designed for optimal performance, it's recommended not to run continuously for more than 90 seconds to prevent overheating. The unique split design makes cleaning a breeze. Detachable blades allow for thorough hygiene and help avoid cross-contamination. Its generous 600 milliliters capacity lets you grind larger batches in one go. Simply fill to the max line for best results. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this durable grinder maintains stable performance even with frequent use. The included filter and cleaning brush make upkeep easy, extending the grinder's lifespan. With 2 adjustable speeds, you can customize your grind from fine coffee powder to coarse spices and grains. This versatile kitchen tool elevates your cooking experience, helping you create delicious meals with precision and ease. Number 2. Waring Electric Spice Grinder. The Waring Commercial Electric Spice Grinder offers powerful, reliable performance for all your grinding needs. Equipped with a commercial-grade motor spinning at 19,000 RPM, it effortlessly pulverizes spices like cinnamon sticks, nutmeg, and peppercorns into fine powders within seconds. The medium-duty brushed stainless steel housing ensures durability and long-lasting use, while the safety interlock lid provides secure operation. Designed for precision, the pulse actuation feature allows you to control grind consistency easily, from coarse to fine, depending on your recipe. With a 175-watt motor and a 7-ounce capacity, this grinder is ideal for preparing a variety of ingredients including wheat, corn, nuts, rice, salt, seasonings, tea, breadcrumbs, ginger, garlic, onions, and sugar. Its stainless steel blades maximize motor efficiency, delivering consistent and uniform results every time. Perfect for both home kitchens and commercial settings, the Waring spice grinder combines power, safety, and versatility in one compact design. Number 1. KitchenAid Blade Spice Grinder. Elevate your kitchen with the KitchenAid grinder and spice, designed for effortless grinding and fresh flavors. Featuring one-touch control, simply press down on the clear cover to start grinding and release to stop, making it easy to achieve your desired consistency. This set includes stainless steel spice grinding bowls ideal for peppercorns, cumin, and more, keeping spices fresh with airtight lids. The shaker lid lets you add spices directly to recipes. Compact yet powerful, the KitchenAid grinder is perfect for home use, combining performance and convenience in a sleek onyx black design. Enjoy fresher, more flavorful meals and coffee every day. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below.